to another video and our first video in our Vlogmas, 25 days of Vlogmas for this year. I told you guys I was gonna do it and I'm doing it. So our first video, as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be decorating a Christmas tree. So this is my tree, well, my new tree, and as you can see I have like just some light frosting on it. I had gotten the fake snow frosting that we bought out here in the previous vlogs before, and I just lightly, you know, put a little bit. I didn't want to fully do it because I didn't like how that looked, so I lightly put it on here. So I'm gonna be decorating it with all my stuff today. I have all my Christmas decorations and stuff in this hamper, and I have my lights behind me and some more tinsel. This is my star. Yeah, it actually lights up. Yeah. So we're gonna start off with, I don't know what kind of direction or ways people put on their, or order I should say, that people put on their Christmas decorations in. I don't really have an order. What I kind of do, I do lights first, and then ribbons or like little, you know, Christmas pretty tinsel stuff, and then the ornaments go on last. So that's how I do it. So while I'm here, Mom is cooking in the back, and I'm going to have a Christmas movie playing. I'm watching Home Alone while I'm doing this. You guys can comment and tell me your favorite Christmas movies that you guys like to watch, or like your favorite Christmas movie. Home Alone is my favorite Christmas movie, 1, 2, and 3, and that's where it stops for me. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Mommy, you too? No, Mommy just like Home Alone 3.
Home Alone 3.
Yeah, Mommy just likes Home Alone 3 alone, but I like 1, 2, and 3. So yeah. So I'm gonna start off putting on the lights. Okay guys, I turned off the light just a bit for you guys to see the full beauty of the lights. But these are the lights. I have some, like I told you, I had some purple ones. Those are at the bottom. Yeah, so these are the lights. These are the colorful new ones, and then the other ones at the bottom are the purple ones. So now I'm gonna put on the ribbons. Okay, I'm gonna put on the ribbons now. This is the big one that has like the Merry Christmas on it. And now I'm gonna put on this one now. This is the, oh wait, wow, that's really pretty in the camera. And I'm gonna put on this one now. start at the top. I'm gonna show you. Start at the top, down to the bottom, and this is it so far. All of the decorations are on, all of the ribbons and stuff. The only thing that we didn't get to put on the tree was the tinsel thingy, because it would have been too much if we put it on there, honestly. So we are going to wrap it around somewhere else in the house. You guys will see that when I'm showing like the lights and everything. So I'm waiting for the time to darken up a little bit more, and then we're gonna turn off the lights, plug in the lights for the tree, and show you guys the lights for the tree and the lights on the outside.